Hello guys and welcome. Today we're doing my December BOXYCHARM unboxing. It is the 14th, so I feel like it came a little bit later than it has been coming. Lately I've been getting it like around the 9th, 10th, but anywho, I just got it, so I'm going to hurry up and dig in because I know no spoilers whatsoever. I haven't watched any videos, I haven't seen any spoilers at all. The only thing I will say is that they did send me an email last week saying that they're gonna give me like a $5 credit because something about like one of the products might not be my exact shade match. So I'm assuming it'll be either a concealer or foundation because what else could it really be for a shade match? But I don't know, I thought that was kind of weird. Like, or maybe it was a $6 credit. Like really, this product in here is only worth $6. That is a little sketchy, don't you think? I don't know, I just thought that was kind of weird. Anywho, let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys are not familiar with BOXYCHARM, it's a makeup subscription box. I will put a link down in the description box for you guys to check out. I paid $30 for it of my own money. This video is not sponsored. They don't send me this for free. So, all right, let's dig in. Now, I will say this box feels awful light. For a December, like Christmas box, it feels really light. Hopefully it'll still be good. What's up with their orange little inserts? Like, this is so weird. They used to be black. Okay, I just kind of peeked. Everything looks really little. Okay, let's think positive. BOXYCHARM, 'tis the season for being extra. So this is what the card looks like this month. And then as always on the back, they have everything listed on here. What everything is, how much it is, and what exactly you do with it. All right, so the first thing I'm feeling in here, I don't even know where to go. Okay, what are you? What are you? Persimmon and Plump Glass Finish Lip Glaze. Ooh, okay. So that's what this packaging looks like. And let's open her up. Ooh, finally a color I really, really like. This looks really, really pretty. I'm putting some on because I have makeup on from this morning and my lip gloss is almost gone. I almost put more on, but I was like, no, I want to wait and see if there's anything in the box. So what does it say about this? Oh my gosh, I can't find it. And now I've totally seen everything. Seraphine Botanicals, I've never heard of that brand. Persimmon and Plump Glass Finish Lip Glaze, a lip treatment and gloss hybrid that gives you a wet vinyl glass-like shine without the stickiness or heaviness, with the base ingredients being a proprietary blend of castor bean oil, rice bran oil, and a plant-derived liquid resin. That sounds weird. Visibly plumps lips but protects them from dehydration as well. And this retails for $24. Let's go ahead and try this out. And we have to smell it. Ew. It doesn't smell great. It kind of smells old. So it just has like a thick doe foot applicator. It does not smell good at all. I don't know about that flavor or taste or scent, whatever. But I do like how it feels. I like how it looks. It's just a nice little gloss. So I will use this. I'm just hoping I can get past the taste. It's probably the oils that are put in there. Like whenever you use oils like that, they always get funky. All right, moving on. What are you? This is from, okay, this is probably the color match they were talking about. This is from LYS Beauty Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that color. If that's the color, that's gonna be so disappointing if that's the color. I love getting concealers. Dang it. Looks like really pretty packaging. Hey, I mean, it looks pretty dark, but I'm afraid to swatch it. This is so pretty. This packaging is gorgeous. It's like a triangle. That's really pretty. T65. Well, that doesn't help me at all. Oh, just kidding. TG5. Is that like tan golden? Okay, yeah, definitely not my color. I wonder if I could contour with it. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. What the hell am I gonna do with this? And they literally gave me $6 for this, okay. Oh yeah, so that's the color, that's what it looks like. maybe I could contour with it. Oh my gosh, what were they thinking? That's really kind of disappointing. I mean, that's nice that they realized their mistake, but to give me a $6 credit, like that's pretty crappy. I'm disappointed. So, okay, I will say on a positive note, I do have a foundation that's a little too light for me when I self-tan, so maybe I could like add in a little bit of this and mix it together and make it the right shade. I'm just trying to be positive here, but that's such a bummer. Like, it's supposed to be a brightening concealer. That would have been so cool in the right color. So this is from LYS Beauty, like I said, Triple Fix Brightening Concealer, and this retails for $18. So did this happen to anyone else? Did you guys get an email saying that they got the wrong color? I'm just wondering, is that something, like, I've been getting BOXYCHARM for years and I've never had anything like that happen before. So let me know if you guys had that happen this month too. All right, the next thing in here, this is Gold Fatten MD. I have no idea. Problem, uneven skin tone, solution, vital boost. Even skin tone daily moisturizer, vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. Okay, Dr. Gold Fatten's multifaceted hydrating moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. And I can always use a daily moisturizer. I wish that there was an SPF in here. I don't think there is. Ooh, it feels nice. I really like that. It has a nice feel, very, very hydrating. Anything with hyaluronic acid, I am in love with. So what does it say about this? Gold Fatten MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. You guys ready to hear how much it is? $75 for this bad boy, 2 ounces. It says brightens overall skin tone, hydrates and nourishes skin complexion, and provides powerful antioxidant nourishment. Okay, well, I definitely needed a daily moisturizer. I just recently bought CeraVe one, I think it is, like a hyaluronic acid one, and I really like it, but I always like trying new stuff, and especially like the $75. That's pretty cool. Mascara. I love getting mascaras. I don't know why I love getting mascaras in my BOXYCHARMs. The last one I got was from Stila, I want to say, and it's my favorite mascara. I use it all the time. So this is from Lawless, the One and Done Long Wear Volume Mascara. That's what the packaging looks like here, and this is in the color Nightlife. This is what it, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, that's kind of cool. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Let's look at the applicator. Oh, ooh, look at how wiggly that is. That is weird. So it definitely looks to be like plastic. I'm gonna try some on, just for the heck of it. Now I have mascara on, but I'm gonna just try putting some on top just to see what it feels like. I kind of like it because it's like, I don't know, I feel like, kind of like the applicator. Oh my gosh, I probably shouldn't have done that. Well, I'll be taking my makeup off soon anyway, so it's all good. Like I said, I always enjoy getting mascaras because these always seem to dry up pretty fast. Let's see what it says about this. Lawless Beauty volumizes, defines, lengthens, lifts, and wears all day while promoting naturally thick lash growth. Ooh, that's cool. This mascara uses the lighter weight lacquer tree and rice bran waxes to keep lashes lifted, while castor and argan oils promote lash length. What is with all this crazy shit? This retails for $25. All right, the last thing in here is from Realer, Your Set Goal. It's a blurring veil. So I'm assuming this is like a finishing powder. Actually needed a setting powder. The packaging looks really cheap though. I don't know, I've never heard of this brand or anything, but I wonder if I should try some on, because like I said, my makeup's from earlier, so maybe if I just put some on top and see what happens. If I can get it open. Oh! The top part came off a bit. There's powder everywhere. Features ultra finely milled powders which melt into the skin to set your makeup in place or to control excess oils. It's completely flashback and talc free to give any look some serious staying power. And it retails for $25. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in the cap and brush some on my face. See if I look blurry. What do you guys think? Do I look blurry? Do I look like I have a filter on my face? Oh my gosh, I am loopy today. We went and saw Santa with all 3 kids and I need a cocktail. I'm going to add everything together and see what this box is worth. Let me know, did you guys get any of these products? Like, I want to know more about the concealer. Did this happen to anyone else? Like, seriously. So it is saying that this boxtail, gosh, I need a nap. So it is saying that this box retails for $167. Yes, I'm using my old school calculator because I'm filming with my phone. $167, I paid $30. Yeah, I'm happy with stuff. Yeah, I don't want to be negative, but like the concealer thing, overall I'm happy. Tater tot wants to play. So yeah, overall I'm happy with everything. Yeah, I'm happy. I am curious to try the concealer. I don't know, maybe I could try to like contour with it. Do you want down? Do you want down, bud? Maybe I could try to contour with it. I don't know if it's that dark, but like I said, I might try to add it to one of my lighter foundations and see how that works out. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your boxes are like, and I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas if I don't upload another video before then, because things are crazy. So, all right, we will see you all soon. Bye.